This is a really nice fan for outside, outdoor fan. It doesn't come with the light kit, but we don't need one because we already have installed some lights in here, so this is fine. It comes also with the remote control and the thing to hold the remote control to put it on the wall. It was very easy to install. It took my husband about 20 minutes to put together and install. Super well built. Very nice fan for outdoors. We put it on this terrace that he's building for our house, and it's just perfect.
I absolutely love this fan. It looks fantastic, exactly what I was looking for. No light, because I already have a lot of track lighting. Just chasing the sun, take a long way around, back to square one.
I like